Hi, my name is Kaleem Farouk. I'm from Royal Cyber. We are co-exhibiting with SAP at LEAP 2024. With me is Ashok. So Ashok, tell me, what do you think about LEAP? What do you think about the buzz, the trend, the crowd, and what is that Royal Cyber is offering along with SAP, apart from SAP? So yeah.
Yeah, thanks for the question, Kaleem. Uh, with LEAP right now, Royal Sabre is working a co-booth with SAP. We are seeing a lot of customers coming with what Royal Sabre is offering in terms of SAP solutions. We are currently working with a lot of customers, are discussing with a lot of customers in terms of SAP offerings, what Royal Sabre can do in terms of ECC implementation, are doing migration, and also talking about Rise with S4HANA implementation as well. In addition, what we are seeing, like a lot of the customers from the industries like manufacturing, which includes oil and industry, supply chain, and then talking about some of the clients on the retail sector. They're talking about what we can offer on the AI space, what we can do with the IoT space, and also on the blockchain, where we are providing some of the solutions. We are also providing some of the demos based upon these kind of use cases, what they are looking at, which is basically attractive, and we are seeing a lot of positive response from the customer. And with the volume of the customers, what we are seeing, definitely this leap is going to be successful for Royal Sabre and also association with SAP as well. Thank you for the question.
Thank you very much, Ashok. It's really amazing. I really wish you the best since so much of companies are coming. And thank you very much for your participation.